In this video, we are going to have a closer look at the promotions module right after this. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Optima, home of the Optima APOS series product group. This module allows you to define the promotional sales you wish to offer your customers. Let's have a closer look at each of the fields and options available in this module. For Caption, enter the promotion display name. In the Match field, enter the amount or quantity of items that must match before the discount is applied. If the Match Amount option is enabled, the value entered will be treated as an amount. Entering a value of 1 in the Match field indicates that $1 of the item or items linked to the promotion must be sold before the promotion is applied. Entering a value of 2 indicates that $2 must be sold, etc. If the Match Amount option is disabled, the value entered will be treated as a quantity or item count. Entering a value of 1 in the Match field indicates that only one item linked to the promotion must be sold before the promotion is applied. Entering a value of 2 indicates that 2 items must be sold, etc. For the Discount field, enter the discount percentage or amount. If the discount is a percentage option is selected, the value entered will be treated as a percentage. Otherwise, it will be treated as an amount. For the start date, enter or select the date the promotion should start. End date, enter or select the date the promotion should end. If defined, the end date must be on or after the start date. The promotion will be valid from the start date to the end date, inclusively. If the end date is left blank, the promotion will never end. Let's have a closer look at each of the promotion options. For Match Amount, when enabled, this option will trigger the promotion once the specified amount has been reached. If disabled, the promotion will be activated only when the quantity specified has been reached. Please note that unless the promotion has been flagged as one match, promotion will trigger every time the amount or quantity specified has been reached. This means that all multiples of amount and quantity will trigger the promotion. When the promotion is triggered, any remainders of amount or quantity will be carried forward. Discount is a percentage. Select this option if this is a percentage discount and not an amount discount. One discount per transaction. Enabling this option will limit this promotion to one discount per transaction. Other promotions may trigger within the same transaction, but this promotion will only be triggered once. Exact match. Select this option if you wish to enter a subset of items that are currently linked to the promotion. This list will be used to trigger the promotion. All items in the defined list must be a part of the current transaction, and the amount or quantity of items entered in the match field must also be met for each individual item in the list before the promotion is triggered. Total discount. This option determines if the discount should be applied to the promotion subtotal or to the last item entered to trigger the promotion. If total discount is disabled and discount is a percentage is enabled, the percentage entered in the discount field will be applied to the price of the last item to trigger the promotion. For example, if the match amount is $10, when this limit is reached, the promotion will trigger and apply a discount to the price of the last item to trigger the promotion. Set price. Select this option if the promotion will have a fixed price when the promotion is triggered. If total discount is enabled, the value entered in the discount field will determine the total price of all items in the promotion and calculate the discount based on the amount or quantity entered in the match field. If total discount is disabled, The price of the last item to trigger the promotion will be determined by the value entered in the discount field, and calculate the discount accordingly. Mix and match. Select this option if any combination of products linked to the promotion should trigger the discount. When this option is not enabled, each individual item must meet the match criteria. For example, let's change our match to 10 items. If all soup cans were linked to this promotion, then if mix and match were enabled, any combination of soups would trigger the promotion. So 5 tomato soup and 5 chicken soup would count towards our trigger of 10. If mix and match is not enabled, the promotion would not trigger until you sold 10 tomato soup or 10 chicken soup. Let's have a closer look at the exact match option. All products in the match list must be linked to the promotion. This means that you must first define the promotion, save it, then link the product and departments that are involved in this promotion. In this case, individual promotions is not set, so I'll have to change that first. Once this is completed, you'll be able to set up the exact match list. You must do this because the exact match list must be a subset of the products linked to this promotion. Only products linked to the promotion at the department or product level will be displayed in the product lookup window. A warning message will also be displayed if you attempt to enter a product that is not linked to the promotion. Press on the plus to add a new product to the list, or minus to remove a product. Enter the PLU or the SKU of the product you wish to add to the list, or click on the Product Lookup button to display the Product Lookup window. Again, only products currently linked to the promotion will be displayed. In this case, we have linked this promotion to our New York steak, as well as our salads department and our desserts, which means that we can choose the exact match lists using our New York steak product and any combination of salads and/or desserts. The promotion will be triggered if and only if all products in the list are contained within a single transaction. The amount of each item that must be sold will be determined by the match value. Entering a match value of 1 means that only one of each item must be sold to trigger the promotion. Entering a value of 2 means that 2 of each item must be sold. Well, that is it for now, but don't forget, you can always press F1 to get help on the promotions module, and if you're having any issues setting up your promotion, send us an email at possupport@optimagopause.ca. Stay tuned, and in the next video, we will look at the modifiers module.
Why don't you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get notified as soon as we upload any new videos. Also, if you want to learn more about the Optima APOS series line of products or need any POS accessories such as barcode scanners, printers, Windows PC POS terminals, and more, visit www.optimagopause.ca. Again, that's www.optimagopause.ca. I'm Brandon from Optima, and I'll see you again.